As I have stated previously, while I'm certainly happy with the numbers of girls completing the primary education cycle, I become concerned about the fact that the proportion of the boys completing this cycle has been decreasing. Is this purely a demographic matter, or are more boys than girls indeed dropping out of school? Either way, it is important that we establish an evidence-based explanation for this trend. As you heard Mr. Dong say, talking about the inmates taking examinations, that most criminals are men, I don't know whether any parent wants to take that news as news for our country or good news at all. We want all our children to have all the blessings that we want our education to provide, or our government to strive to give to all our children.